I'm making lamb teriyaki steaks, but I could use beef, sirloin or rump steak, pork loin steaks, but I'm going to use lamb leg steaks for this recipe. So it's a simple marinade to start with. I'm going to use some soy sauce, a little bit of honey, and then I'm going to use some ginger, which I'm going to grate into the marinade. And a little bit of garlic, which I'm just going to squash. Now I'm going to marinate these lamb steaks. They are a very tender cut of meat, but I'm just going to marinate them for a short length of time so that I really enhance the flavour. And when we use marinated ingredients, we need an acid and an oil. Okay, so we'll mix them around in the marinade, and because they are quite a thick cut of meat, you need to marinate those for at least 30 minutes or an hour to get the flavour through. For this recipe, the marinade's adding flavour and enhancing the flavour of the lamb. If I was using a tougher cut of meat, a marinade will actually tenderise the meat if I use an acid, so something like an orange or lemon juice or a vinegar, white wine vinegar or a balsamic vinegar for instance. So my pan is preheated really nice and hot, so I'm going to put the lamb steaks into the griddle plate. Now this cut of meat is beautifully tender, so it isn't going to take a long time to cook. So that's going to be about 4 or 5 minutes aside just to cook that. And to serve with our steak, I've cooked some sweet potato, parsnip and potato, cut into big thick chunks, and we've roasted those in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes until they're nice and crispy. And this makes an excellent accompaniment to go with the teriyaki lamb steak. So the lamb steaks are ready. They've cooked for about 5 minutes each side. So we're going to serve those with a mixed salad and our roasted vegetables.